Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay Sunday, December 28, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, December 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 28, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Sunday, December 28, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for December 28, 2025, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, December 28, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.